Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to fix lag and frame drops on HP Victus laptops. Many users experience performance issues while gaming, but the good news is that this can be improved with a few simple optimization steps. Let's get started. First, open the Registry editor by typing Registry editor in the Windows search bar and running it as an administrator. Once it opens, navigate to HKey local machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Control, then Power, and then Power Settings. Inside this section, locate the required folder and open it. Find the file named Attributes and change its value data to 2. Click OK, close the Registry editor, and restart your laptop to apply the changes. After restarting, open the Control panel and switch the view to large icons. Go to Power Options, select your currently active power plan, and click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window, expand Processor Power Management and then open Processor Performance Boost mode. Disable this option for both on battery and plugged in. Apply the changes and close the window. Next, open the OMEN Gaming Hub and select your HP Victus laptop. Go to Performance Control, choose Quiet Mode, and manually set the fan speed to maximum. This helps maintain stable performance and reduces thermal throttling during gaming sessions. And that's it. By following these steps, you should notice smoother gameplay and reduced lag on your HP Victus laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.